Good afternoon. Let's do this again. Second hunt of the day. First one got skunked. High winds up to 60-mile-an-hour gust. So came out here for an afternoon hunt with my buddy Elliott and his dog Georgie. Really basic spread, just 2.5 dozen ducks, mallards, widgeon, pintail, and kind of just filled them in. There was a few coots and even a widgeon when we walked out here. We'll see what happens. The wind's gonna be right at our back, and we've seen a few flying, so if they come, they should just show right up here, hopefully. But this is kind of from scouting midday. All the ducks are just kind of tucked into stuff like this, so I'm trying to imitate that. They flew like 5 yards over our head. All right, Elliott, you get first crack at whatever shows up first, I guess.
If there's one, I'll take the first shot, but be right behind me.
All right. Starting to spit some rain, maybe snow. It's not very warm out today with this, especially with this wind. Good wind chill. Definitely below freezing. But this is duck hunting weather. Gadwall, coming back, Elliott. Quack, 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 quack. Right up front. Got it. I got a line on it. Elliott is on the board. Gadwall hen came in. I think it's a hen.
I'm surprised I even took that shot, but at least I hit it.
Yeah, that second shot it fell. Second shot it fell. I think it was gonna be in here pretty close, but awesome. Right above us now.
Back! Man, I didn't see that one. Nice shot.
Thank you.
You stoned that sucker.
Another gadwall. I think that was all gadwall. There, she got it.
Man, well, we got two.
Yeah.
Place.
I don't know if that whole flock was coming or not, but
hey, take them when you can get them.
take it. That's right, especially today.
I don't know where Georgie and I were looking, but it wasn't there. You pulled the trigger and I hadn't even seen it, and she didn't see it.
It was just hovering.
Nice kill.
Thank you.
That was dead. Hey, we're at like 30 minutes. We got two birds.
Hen gadwall.
Good shot.
There they are. Did you get it? Man, this weather cannot make up its mind. The sun will be shining, and then the next minute it'll be spitting rain and snow. So welcome to October. I guess the only constant is the wind, which if we could just take off about 50%, it'd be a lot better, I think. It's a pretty one. Super dark black head. Hanging out. Just been watching this coop for probably about an hour now. There'll be a few ducks zip over. Some will fly behind us, some will just zoom right past. Some will slow up and give us a shot, but not a ton flying yet, as to be expected with the weather today. But still a great day. We each got a bird so far. Plenty of time left in the afternoon and evening. And it's raining yet again. Here they come. Shoot them. Was that a bad shot call?
No, it wasn't. It was just, I couldn't anticipate it.
Oh, yeah, sorry about that. Man, they worked in good.
Yeah. That was an easier tree, George.
How far did it land from you?
Right there. You didn't run through the cattails, pick it up. We need more of those.
All right, Drake pintail. I shot my pintail limit. 3 came over and I got one. Elliott's the next up on pintails. But not the prettiest Drake, still Eclipse. You can tell it's a Drake though by the speculum. It's emerald green color. So, and he's even getting a little bit of the white in his head. But awesome, pretty bird. And we are calling that a day. It is very chilly and not a lot of bird movement. Thought there'd be a few more moving around today, and it is apparent that we probably lost a lot that we had, and the ones that are around are just hunkered down, not really wanting to work and fly around in this high wind. So fingers crossed tomorrow's gonna be a little better, but still shot a gadwall and a pintail, got my pintail limit. And then Elliott also got his first big duck up here. So good day overall, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to go out there and support those conservation organizations, Ducks Limited, Built to Waterfowl, and we'll catch you out there. See ya.